So me and my buddy are about to go cruising. He's in his S4. I'm in my Mustang GT. So we're about to go cruise and grab some stuff for a cookout. So I'll see you guys on the road. He has a $3,000 custom-made exhaust on his S5. It sounds insane. Alright, we're at Wally World. Gonna grab some burgers. What do you want?
Cheeseburgers for sure, but I don't
Cheeseburgers?
I don't think, no, burgers with like cheese in them. But I don't think Walmart sells that.
We'll see. We're on the mission for some cheesy burgers. Bro, we found the buns. Sweet Hawaiian, that's the move. Onion hamburger buns. Pretzel buns? Because you love pretzel buns.
It looks so good.
They're so chunky though.
It looks so good.
They're so chunky. These are the move, dude. These are the move. Found them. Bacon cheddar patties.
Which one though? Or this one?
No,
This
this looks like poop.
bomb.
This looks like poop,
Yeah, but
and
it's
this looks
fucking
fresh,
slice.
dude. Look how nasty that looks, bro. Bacon cheddar. That's the move. What is it? Oh,
That's a whole thing of ground beef,
bro,
dog.
what? 10 pounds. All right, we got these. We got the buns. I think we're good. We just need some snacks now, though. How meaty is it, bro? Oh, dude, that's heavy. That's chunky. All right, so we found some fish, dude. This is like a whole.
There's
like,
trout and
foot
then
a
there's
half.
salmon. Trout? I've never had trout. Salmon
You want
is
to try
like-
trout then?
You want, but it's $17 for this fucking thing. I want to
true,
go
that's
out and
true.
catch one myself.
Yeah. You want to get
Do they have
two
one?
$6 ones?
I'm trying to see if they have trout. It's all salmon.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
There's catfish. That looks disgusting. There's cod, tilapia.
Cod is good.
Oh,
Tilapia
here's
is
trout.
good too. Oh, sweet.
$10.
$10, dude. We
I
might
say
as well get
7,
that
yeah.
big thing.
Do you want salmon or trout? Trout looks meatier, redder.
Trout looks
I know
freaking-
salmon's kind of rough.
We got the trout boys. Oh yeah.
Your change.
Oh my
Cash
God,
is
so much change.
shopping at Walmart.
Wow. All right, we got the goods. Or what?
Where should go?
Not back there. I don't have room back there. Hold on. You ready? Yeah. Okay. so hard to shift and hold the steering wheel and the camera at the same time. Oh my god. It sounds so good. So bad, so many cops out. Oh, bro, he's crazy. Oh, that's why he did it. There was a nice wide body FRS that just went down that road. Really nice. I think it was an FRS. It might have been a 370. Couldn't really tell from that far away. Dang. Backfires were so nice on that last downshift. Alright, well, into the garage we go. Worry about this whole thing of butter to put in there. Oh my god,
that looks disgusting.
Dude. That's so bad. Alright. Come on. Oh yeah.
You have tips to like take this out?
I can go get them.
He's gonna grab it and put it on top.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go get my garlic salt. I got the burgers and everything. Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
Oh.
What?
It didn't touch. I thought it was about to cream them.
Alright, so I'm gonna let that melt. I'm gonna go get the I'm gonna go get the salt and garlic salt, I mean, and then we're gonna squeeze the lemons and garlic salt into all that butter. We need knives to cut the lemons. Alright, see you guys in a sec. You gotta cut them over it.
No.
Alright, we gotta cut the onions. Or the lemons over top of this. Gotta get every drop.
I mean, I would put it in the fish.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So wait, I don't think we should cut these yet.
I would take that tape thing off too.
That's fine. We're squeezing them. Or are you putting the whole lemon in
put
there?
the whole lemon in
well,
there.
We'll squeeze it and then...
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, professional cooking here with Icy Garage and Cards and Fishing. Chunks of butter. You're supposed to have enough butter to sink the fish in it, but I don't think that there's going to be enough. But
this looks so disgusting.
We'll make it work. It looks bad. Yummy.
That's kind of sick.
Alright, the butter's good. We're gonna put the fish in, and then we're gonna squeeze the lemons and add the garlic salt.
How's that feel?
Feels nice, dude.
Don't let it split.
Yeah, I know.
Splash. Ooh. Ooh, will it make it? Ooh.
Barely,
okay,
not
close.
Okay.
That's fun.
We can flip it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna
squeeze the lemon.
It needs a little bit of squeezing.
Make sure the paper's off of it.
There. I don't know if we need 3 lemons, dude. I think we need 2.
Send it. It doesn't matter. You want to just put it in the corners? Okay. More than that. Put right here and right here.
Ow, got lemon in my cut. That hurts. Oh god, that burns. Okay. Oh my god.
See, there's a ginormous spider on your back.
Dude, you're so stupid.
You started doing that that cup dance.
It's a little wet. wet, it will do.
I don't know where to stand, bro.
Oh, it's so wet. Ew.
Oh, that's perfect, dude. Moist.
It's literally rotten.
Moist.
Boom. Butter. Oh. That's a heavy log. That's at least 100 pounds. Dude, one axe split. Watch this.
Close.
Not even. Same spot, but still did great.
What the?
That hurt my ear.
Yeah?
Easy.
Mm-hmm. Nice and moist.
Is it good?
Nice and moist. Yeah, we can start our burgers anytime though.
Okay. We're about to burn these big.
Okay. Flex on them. Flex.
The fish is jumping. It's trying to get out. Alright, so we're gonna start cooking our burgers now too. And hopefully get the fire going. Alright, we got the fire going. Alright, we got the burgers on. And the fish is looking tasty. Alright, these burgers are gonna be lit. I know, dude. So we decided to flip the fish, but I don't know how it's gonna go. We'll see. Should be good. Yeah, it broke in half. It broke in half, but now it's gonna soak better. So check the burgers in a little bit. They are looking juicy. Oh, that's perfect. The fish is still looking tasty. Alright, we got the fish off and it looks freaking delicious. And the burgers are amazing too. Double thumbs up. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna go get some silverware and we're gonna eat
over there.
That's what the fish looks like. I think that's gonna be the end for this video, guys. Actually, we're gonna be setting up the fire over there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, the little bit of pulls and exhaust clips we got. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.